it's a Netspend prepaid gift card. So if you guys want to know how you guys can log into Netspend prepaid gift card, you need to watch this video until the end. But before a Netspend prepaid gift card is, then basically if you guys have used a gift card, then basically Netspend prepaid card is similar to a gift card. In a gift card, there is already an amount loaded into it, and once you use it, you can, put more money into that gift card. Basically, Netspend prepaid gift card is also just like that. It already has, the amount of money into it, the one which you bought. Let's say you bought a $50, Netspend gift card. Basically, after you spend $50 from that card, you can't, recover it, or you can't put more money into it. You can just throw away the card, or you need to buy another Netspend prepaid gift card, alright? So that's basically it. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. First, you want to go to your search engine and you want to search for Netspend. You want to search for Netspend login. After you search for Netspend login, click on the first link where it says login Netspend prepaid account. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to Netspend's, login page. Once you're in this login page over here, basically you want to enter your information over here, which it asks like your username. You need to enter your Netspend's username and password of your account. After you do that, you want to click on login and you should be able to log in into Netspend account if your username and password is correct. And if you guys forgot your username or password, there's this option over here. You can click on it to recover your account. And if you guys do not have a account, then basically you can click on don't have a card, sign up today. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you to the page where you guys can sign up into Netspend. But before you guys can sign up into Netspend, you guys need to buy a Netspend prepaid gift card, alright?